everybody, welcome to Teensy Vintage. This is Teresa, and today we are taking an ugly gel press print and making it beautiful. This is a gel press print. I either pulled this off as a ghost print or honestly, I don't remember. I just found it in my stash of papers and I was like, what can I do with this? Because it's on a nice piece of heavyweight paper. And I thought, well, you know what would be cool is to take my new Joggles stencil and um, do a design with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in all the white spaces. And I started with a paintbrush, but I wasn't getting the right grungy texture or coverage, so I pulled out my Old Faithful Cosmetics wedge and am going to town here with some Payne's Gray. I think, no, it's not Payne's Gray. It's a Dina Wakley. Sorry. Yeah, whew, it's been a minute. Um, these are Dina Wakley paints. I like these because they are heavy body, so they are a little bit thicker and the coverage is pretty good. And I'm just going in with these three colors, um, two blues and a yellow here to just kind of zhuzh up the background, so to speak, because the stencil I'm going to use, as you'll see in a minute, is a full page size stencil. Um, so I'm just going in here, a little bit of a turquoise, and now I'm going in with the brush again. And when you combine these paints with a little water, you can get a watercolor-like effect, which is nice. So we'll have different textures, different, amounts of paint. And now we're going to go in with a little bit of yellow. And here I am. I'm trying to figure out, do I have the right yellow? Believe me, all three of those yellows are different. They look exactly the same in the video, but they are different. And so I've chosen to stick with no, I didn't. Forgive me, all. I think I went with the Dilutions one on that, which is a very light bodied paint. Which is great because it's going to kind of overlap with some of these darker colors. You get kind of a green and a little bit of an orange, although there was some orange on the page already. So anyway, I'm really happy with this. I've got a lot of different colors, and now I'm going to put my stencil over the top. It's a beautiful Art Nouveau stencil. As you can see, I haven't used it yet. So I was really excited to do that. And I'm going to use a little bit of low-tack tape here to tape the stencil to the piece of paper because I don't want it to move. This tape is great because it will hold the paper while I'm working on it, but it will also come off cleanly because I don't want it to ruin the paper. I'm also going to actually tape the paper and stencil down to my work surface because this way I don't have to worry about holding it all down and applying the paint. So yeah, just go ahead and stick it all down. There we go. All right, so we're going to get out a fresh cosmetic wedge there. Oh, there's Payne's Gray. Okay, I know. Y'all know I love Payne's Gray. It's just a great color. It's not black, it's not gray, it's kind of a bluish black gray, which I just think is great. So anyway, I'm going to cover this entire stencil with the Payne's Gray. And you want to use a heavy body paint on this because you don't want your background to show through where you're putting the paint. All right, and then we have fast forwarded to me going over any little spots that I see that just need a little more coverage. And just making sure that I have evenly covered up everything that is visible in the stencil. All right. Okay, now comes the reveal. Ooh. Oh, so far so good. Gonna take off the rest of this tape. All right. Oh, look at that, y'all. I am so chuffed. It looks so good. Oh, wow. So, there you go. You get a weird gel press plate. You just paint over it and do a stencil, y'all, and you can have something really beautiful. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you all next time.